Alright, good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own Canva theme and how you can monetize this thing as well. Everybody will be asking me to answer, what about creating themes? Like, I've created a video on how to get the YouTube individual, like for just one person in grab. But here now I'll be showing you like several teams of people have created for them, and how you can, like, what it takes to get the team you grab. So now all you have to do is like you message me on WhatsApp for more tips and all of them. But now let me show you some of the teams members that we have here. Let's come to this place now. You can see we are having several teams. I don't want to cast. I'm going to block their name so that you won't just be disturbing some people you grab. So now what you have to do is that just download the Canva app on your phone. Your Canva is having a lot of features these days. Now they have added docs, like docs, like Google Docs and the rest. You can easily come to this place, save any template that you want. They have unlimited templates you grab, so you can easily do a lot of stuff with Canva. You can create resumes, you can create class posters, you can create Google banners, Google Classroom headers, Facebook headers, photos, and several other features that is on Canva right now. So Canva, I believe a lot of people can use Canva easily because now it's having a lot of template. Just copy, change the font if you want to, change the color to your own brand color, change this. There are several tutorials on it. Then I even have a course, not my own actually. So I will send it to people that are getting the I will send the link to people that are getting the Canva team so that they can easily sell it and make more money. Now what you have to do is like, let's say you are having the individual. I will just create a team for you. I will create a team for you, just like I created for all these people. I'll create a team for you, then I make you an admin in that team. So once I make you an admin, you can easily add people. Let's say you don't want to sell it, you want to be adding your family. So let's say you have a lot of students, like me, I do a lot of online tradings, and people have been saying that okay, I don't have money for flyers, so they can easily use Canva. So I gave all my students, I added them to my team so they can easily be using the designs for docs, for presentations and several other things. Then they can also be using for their daily activities. Let's say they want to be creating Instagram highlights, Facebook cover photos, Facebook features and all of them. No, we have a lot of design these days, so you can't just be paying graphic designer all the time for all this basic thing that you can easily do on Canva. You grab. So then if you are having presentation, kind of presentation, you can see all these ones, they are very good. This is your Canva Pro, like everything is Canva Pro. So if you want to get it, just message on WhatsApp that you want me to add you to you want to get access to the Canva team, I'll show you. And you want to learn how to be monetize this thing now. So I'm going to give you the Canva team. I'm going to give you a digital marketing course, just like the 330 to like 330 digital marketing courses I see online that people are selling, so they can get knowledge of marketing from this place. Then I also give you a video, like a 30-minute video that explain how you can sell this stuff on WhatsApp. You grab, so you can easily sell them maybe on WhatsApp status, on groups, on DMs, on WhatsApp broadcast message. Let's say you are into online marketing before, or you don't even know anything about online marketing. This one will really help you. You grab. So all you have to do is message me on WhatsApp. Is the team right now is like, as I'm talking, I'm selling the team access for 5,000 naira, while I'm selling the individual for 2,000 naira. If you want to know about the individual, just check the other video. It's still the same thing. All you have to do is come to me, send your email address. Doesn't matter, maybe you are using an Android, iPhone, laptop, MacBook and the rest. All you need is the email address that you are using currently on your Canva Pro, like Canva app or your Canva device, anything that you are using. Maybe you are even using the desktop. So everything to change to Canva Pro app, you grab. No, that was all. So just message me on WhatsApp is 081 034 483669. 081 034 483669. You grab. So that was all. Just message me. This is working. This let me show you something. I just want to show you so that you know the difference between the Canva Pro and the normal Canva. Let me I want to change it to the one that is not premium now. So you will see. The turn, like it will just migrate to something that is not premium. You will see what I'm trying to say now, like the difference between the Canva premium and the one that is not premium. Here now you can see my network is kind of loading and the Canva is loading now. So you see this one is having this Canva, like this watermark that is here. You can see something like here on the screen, like Canva Pro, like this place. So it's telling you that you should try the Canva Pro. Then they're having a lot of things that you can't do here. Now, you can see those some template that you can see in those one is not here. if you should try out this one, and some will see that you have to pay for them, some you have. So this one is already in the Canva Pro. You don't need to be paying for anything. All you have to do is like the 2000 is for at least a year. To work for at least a year. I'll be using my over a year, over let's say approximately 2 years now, and no issues. So I can't promise lifetime access because everything changes. Like nothing is 100% sure you grab. So that's why I'm telling you that get the Canva Pro, maybe for the individual or for the team. It will work for you and it will be working for people. You can easily sell it. Imagine you are selling for like you're adding people to your team for 2,000 naira. If you had 10 people in a week, that's about 10,000 naira. Or if you have 100 people, imagine how much you'll be making. So I think someone you can see someone send me money. So that just still is for the Canva individual. So I'm not joking. I make money with this thing and I'm showing you as well. So that's also